Okay, it's Rick Baxter here again. I'm going to take you through in this video some of the setups to Business Snapshot Plus, and I think you'll see that this is quick and easy to do, and then you can actually get in and run the software. But you do have to have this setup done to be able to create the snapshots and the views and so forth that I showed in the previous video. So follow along. I'm going to go into departments. To kind of do it from the back end here, go to Business Snapshot, and we're going to come to Business Snapshot Setup. Now you probably also could just type this in the search box, but I like to show it where it is on the menu. Okay, so there's several things that you need to do, but it's very, very quick to do. These, when you saw the chart of accounts, it's like, where did these numbers come from? How do you know what my total asset chart of account is? Well, I don't know what your chart of account is. You have to kind of tell it here as you're going. So here's what you do. You simply come in and you put in the appropriate chart of account numbers. So you can just type them in, or you can use your lookup here and select right from the chart of accounts. So this is a list of your entire chart of accounts. Now do notice when you hover over any of these choices, we've put some nice tool tips on here to help you understand what accounts need to be entered for this business snapshot use. So you'll set up the snapshot accounts, you'll set up your AR accounts. You'll also notice this is where you put in those probability of collections. Okay, the 60%, the 80% that you saw in the previous video, and then the income account accounts go in here, as well as I think there's some totals. This just shows some various totals. You don't really have to type anything in there. So that's the first thing. You got to get these accounts in there so the snapshot knows what to divide and multiply by and so forth to get those business ratios and screens. Now, but you're not done yet. So there is a little bit more to do. So the other thing is that you'll want to set up who the users are. So I'll just give you an example here. You set up your users, and I've got myself in here. So let me just edit my account. And you can see that I'm set up to be able to view the business snapshot, view the projections, view the business views, and then the various quick accounts, what I have access to. Okay, and then also the quick accounts are listed here. There's 15 standard accounts, and you just kind of select which ones that you want to show, and again select your numbers, and that will show in what's called quick accounts. You'll see that when you get into the application. Okay, now one other thing while you're in here is once you get the user set up, you will also set up the specific views. And this is a very nice control here. Let me open this up. Let's look at the income. This is where you select which income accounts you want to display. Remember, there was a view that showed the kind of a short form income statement. This is what controls it. Now down the left side here is all of your chart of accounts, but you select what's to be included in the business view. So I've got the word revenue, I've got then the total sales of jobs, I've got the total sales of service contracts, total sales of resources. I just basically grab all my totaling accounts, okay, because I just want to see a total. If I wanted the details of all these posting accounts, I'd print a normal financial statement, okay? That's where you'd get that. But here I want just summarization numbers, so you just select check off the ones that you want to display when you print the income statement, as well as if we look at the balance sheet accounts, which ones that you want to show here. Just check. And if you remember, I had quite a few with the WIP accounts, and I had my assets and liabilities, and then I think I had quite a few down here. Yeah, total long-term, total liabilities, equity, capital stock, all these accounts I wanted to display when it prints this particular view. So you've got to set them up. You've got to select them and include them, and then when you run the snapshots, they all show up according to what you have checked with these setups. And let me think if there's anything else. That's it. I wish I could tell you there's more to do here, but that's basically it. Is get your chart of accounts, set up your users, what they have access to, set up the views, and basically you're done. So it's very, very quick to set this thing up. And then, as you saw in the previous video, all of those accounts will start to display for you appropriately. So this is that's the business snapshot setup. I knew it'd be quick and easy. I didn't think it'd be quite that quick and easy, but it is. And you should be good to go. So do check it out and give it a try. And I hope you like it. If we certainly would, if you're using this software, and we hope that you are, we would certainly welcome your feedback on the software itself. You like it, don't like it, let us know. If you see areas for improvement, we are always open for new ideas as ways to improve our delivery of the software product to you. So do let us know about any of those things as well. Thank you very much, and that's it on the setup for Business Snapshot. Hope you like it.